Reading
There are
challenge.
three words we say too often. I'm not good. I'm not good at English. I'm not good at speaking. I'm not good at learning. But here's the truth. You're not good. You're just not finished. Think of everything you have learned in life. Walking, working, reading. You weren't good at those in the beginning either. But you keep going. And now you do them every day. So why do we stop? Try with English. Why do we say it's too hard? Because of fear? Because we think we should be perfect fast? But learning takes time and skill come from practice. So change your words. Don't say I'm not good. Say I'm learning. Say I'm getting better. Say this is not the end of my story. Those words matter. They change how you feel and how you grow. You're not bad. You just get